Here in Fresno, California, we're tightening up a faucet here. This Moen faucet was installed about a year and a half ago, so it's pretty new. Unfortunately, it got loose, so this whole assembly up top was pivoting back and forth. It was substantially loose, not just a little bit loose. Not thrilled with the mounting bracket down below, and I'll show you that in a minute. One of the reasons why, as you can see, with any cover plate that goes with a single hole faucet, if there's not a nut on either side to help pull down the cover plate, then the cover plate has a nice big gap right here. So nothing you can do about that. It's good. It's top. This is a top mount sink, so there's not a lot of water getting up here anyway. So just keep this area dry. Shouldn't have any trouble. Otherwise, you get water going down 1, 2, or 3, all 3 holes there. Underneath, all we had to do was grab our little tool. This comes with every Moen faucet that is, and this is specific, not every Moen faucet, but specific to this faucet. And a lot of them are still designed like that. We don't like the mounting system anymore because it gets loose. And so, you know, I wouldn't say anything bad about a plumber, but that nut just comes loose for whatever reason. Anyways, you can see up there, right, let me get you a picture, sorry about the shaking. And you can see, where can you see? Can you see? Nope, right in front of the light. So, up there. So that's the whole mounting system right there, and then you can see the nut. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. There's the nut right there. So it's this little bracket that sits up top, and then one little mounting nut up high. I can't see that either. I'm covering it. Be better to get another picture, but you can see the stem. And anyway, so that nut's up high with the mounting bracket, and so just tighten it down. We tighten it down as tight as we could with the with channel locks, and then the little this little tool that comes with the faucet. Actually, that's ours. I don't know where the one that just came with the faucet, but tight as it can be. And you can see right here, this guy. So it's tight. So that's not going anywhere. Everything else looks good. We checked the shutoff valves. Cold water looks like there's no weeping there. And then hot water, no weeping there, so you can see those are nice and dry. It's always good to check those before you leave, because usually when you turn them on or turn them off, they start dripping around the packing net. So these are dry. Anyway, so outside of that, this installation is done.